Altimeter, an instrument used for measuring altitudes in aircraft. Ammeter, an instrument for measuring electrical currents in amperes. Anemometer, an instrument for measuring the force and velocity of wind. Audiometer, an instrument for measuring the intensity of sound. Audiophone, an instrument for improving imperfect sense of hearing. Barometer, an apparatus used for measuring the atmospheric pressure. It is of two types, aneroid and Fortin's barometer. Cardiograph, a medical instrument for tracing heart movements. Chronometer, an instrument kept on board ships for measuring accurate time. Cinematography, it contains a series of lenses arranged to throw on screen an enlarged image of photographs. Dynamo, the origin of electricity in a dynamo is the transformation of mechanical energy into electrical energy. Electrometer, it is an instrument for measuring electricity. Galvanometer, an instrument for measuring electric currents of small magnitude. Hydrometer, an instrument used for measuring the specific gravity of liquids. Hydrophone, an instrument for recording sound underwater. Lactometer, it is used for testing the purity of milk. Manometer, an instrument for determining the pressure of a gas. Microphone, an instrument for converting sound waves into electrical vibrations and thus to magnify the sound. Microscope, an instrument used for magnifying minute objects by a lens system. Odometer, an instrument by which the distance covered by wheeled vehicles is measured. Phonograph, an instrument for reproducing sound. Photometer, it is an instrument for measuring the intensity of light, a device for comparing the luminous intensity of source of light. Radar, it is an abbreviative form of radio, angle, direction and range. It is used for detecting the direction and range of an approaching plane by means of radio microwaves. Radiometer, an instrument for measuring the emission of radiant energy. Refractometer, an instrument to measure refractive indexes. Spectrometer, an instrument for measuring the energy distribution of a particular type of radiation. Speedometer, an instrument which indicates the speed at which the vehicle is moving. Spherometer, an instrument for measuring curvature of surfaces. Telescope, it is an apparatus used for observing distant objects. Thermometer, an apparatus used for measuring temperature. Viscometer, an instrument to measure viscosity.